Hey, what's going on? It's Rick, and this is the Poetic Slimbook. It is for the iPhone 5, and it's part case and part wallet, as you'll soon see. I will link in the description of this video where you can pick this case up, and I will make mention, at least for the time that I'm filming this video, this case can be had for about $9.98, so exceptional value for what you're getting here. The materials of this case is a mix of this area here, up around here, here, and here. This is all a faux leather material. Some companies call it eco leather or vegan leather. You know, basically it's just simulated leather. You can see white accent stitching, and then along the spine, this is a suede-like material, or it feels very velvety, and it's got some poetic branding. That allows you to press the buttons on your iPhone if you've got this case closed. Now, I'm going to talk about the wallet features in a moment, but before I do that, let's talk about the case portion of this. It's a polycarbonate snap-on shell. We've all seen these before. And let's go ahead and put the iPhone 5 into this. Always start with your button side first. You don't want to snap those buttons when you're putting this in. So lay it down into the button side first, and then simply push the other end in. If you want to take the case out, do it in reverse. Just kind of loosen this area and lift it out. You can see you have accessibility to your buttons and your rocker switch there. And then let's close this up and take a look at it. So up close, this is what it is going to look like. You've got some poetic branding embossed in the bottom right-hand corner. All good there. Along the spine again, that soft material that allows for you to do your button presses. Of course, you can't flick the switch there, but you can certainly do your volume rocker. And then down along the bottom, you can see the areas of exposure, and that's standard with this type of a snap-on back case. The side is completely exposed, as you can see right there. And then up along the top, it is completely exposed here. I said exposed along the side, I meant covered. So you can see it's completely covered there. And then up along the top, it is completely exposed, and your button is easy to access. Along the back, you can see what that looks like. There's your camera cutout, and there's no issues with washout or whiteout in your photos or your videos, so that works just as intended. And the magnetic clasp works really well as well to help keep this closed when it's not in use. When we open it up, this is what it's going to look like. And of course, with a case like this, I mean, if you're taking photos or videos, you kind of have to hold it like this. So it's a little bit different, but that's the trade-off that we're talking about here. Folding it flat back looks like that. So it adds a little bit of bulk, but that is what it's going to look like. And if you want a stand feature, it's definitely built into this case. I don't know if it's an intended feature or not, but you can stand it like this and it stays in place. And I haven't run into issues where it falls. So that is an added feature here. Now, when we talk about the wallet capabilities, you do have the ability to put a couple of cards in here, ID card, driver's license, I don't know, credit card, whatever it is you want. And if you fold up some bills, you can toss them back here as well. Depending on how much stuff you're putting in this case, it is going to add a little bit more bulk, but that's a trade-off, because then you don't have to worry about carrying your wallet around or your purse or whatever it might be. So again, this is the Poetic Slimbook. It gets my 4 out of 5. I think it is a really good multifunctional case. If this is the type of thing that you're looking for, and it eliminates the need to maybe carry around your wallet or your purse. It is available now. As always, if you guys have questions, comments, or feedback, you can leave me a comment down below, and I'll do my best to respond to it. Or you can hit me up on Twitter @Metagamers, and I will respond there as well. I'll talk to you next time, guys. Take care.